If you've subscribed to this channel recently, thank you so much. You're now part of a small community that learns English through stories. You're not just watching this story anymore. You're now part of Sofia's journey. Let's continue together.
You know, I was just thinking, what's the worst thing that could happen when you go out for dinner at a restaurant?
Maybe a power outage?
A power outage? Wow, that does sound terrible. If the power goes out, what should you do? Well, I guess you just leave and order a pizza instead.
Oh, come on, girls. Don't say unlucky things like that. I didn't dress up and make a reservation just to eat pizza tonight.
All right. Let's hope nothing bad happens. Yes, tonight is going to be a nice and quiet dinner.
Good evening. Welcome to Seabreeze Grill. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do. I called a few days ago to reserve a table for 3 at 7 o'clock.
May I have the name, please?
Maggie.
Yes, I see it here. The restaurant is so crowded today. It's partly because it's the weekend and they're also hosting a large group of tourists. We arranged a special table for you. Please follow me. Since the restaurant is fully booked, Chef Rowan prepared a table for you on the rooftop.
On the rooftop?
Yes. We don't usually use this area in the evening because it can be windy and cold.
But tonight feels quite warm and comfortable.
That's why Rowan suggested this place. The weather is perfect tonight.
It's so quiet up here, and the view is beautiful.
We're very lucky. Even though this is only a temporary table, you can tell Rowan put care into preparing it. All right, let's focus on choosing our food.
There are so many choices. I'm not sure what would be best. I feel the same. I don't really know much about food, so I usually have trouble deciding.
That's perfectly fine. In that case, let's try today's specials. Grilled sea fish with herbs, a fresh coastal salad, and Seabreeze's signature bread.
That sounds simple but delicious.
Rowan prepares these dishes himself, so the quality is something you can trust.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we'll have today's specials for these two and a few vegetarian dishes for me.
Certainly.
Oh, what just happened?
I think the power went out.
I'm very sorry. There's a power outage in this area. We're waiting to see if the backup generator starts.
No way. I was joking about this earlier, remember?
You're right. You actually said this might happen.
Okay, I didn't mean to predict it for real.
Well, I guess we should stop letting B imagine disasters.
Maggie, I'm really sorry about this. I didn't expect the power to go out tonight.
It's all right, Rowan. These things happen. Don't blame yourself. I understand.
Still, I feel responsible. This was supposed to be a nice evening for you.
Let's talk for a moment.
I've never been to a restaurant during a power outage before. I honestly don't know how places usually deal with this. Without electricity, the kitchen might not even be able to work properly, and we can barely see anything. I don't think this problem will be solved quickly. I guess dinner might be canceled after all. I guess you're right. Let's just go home and order a large pizza instead.
All right, girls. There's been a bit of trouble because of the power outage.
So, does that mean we have to cancel dinner?
Cancel? Not at all. In fact, we're going to have dinner in the most stylish way possible.
The most stylish way?
Rowan suggested we have a candlelight dinner.
A candlelight dinner? That actually sounds wonderful.
The kitchen has some limits without electricity, so the dishes will be simple and a surprise. We'll need to wait a bit longer.
Take your time and enjoy it. Sometimes food tastes better when you slow down.
Oh, wow. I really didn't expect this at all. It looks simple, but very carefully prepared, and it smells amazing. Yes, the candles, the quiet, the slower pace. It feels more personal. Maybe. It turns out the surprise was worth it.
Sometimes a small problem changes things in a good way. If the power hadn't gone out, we might never have experienced a dinner like this.
Oh, the power's back. Everything is so bright all of a sudden. Whew, finally. But wow, I actually got used to the quiet down here.
Wait, why don't we just leave the lights off and keep the candles? It's so rare to have a dinner by candlelight like this. Honestly, I find it really charming and relaxing. What do you two think?
Actually, that sounds like a great idea. Excuse me, could you please turn the lights off again?
Looking at these candles, it takes me all the way back. When I was a little girl, those long winter nights were so cold and the power went out so often. We didn't have much back then. We were quite poor, actually. But when my parents lit those old oil lamps, the whole room suddenly felt golden. We'd huddle together, eating simple food, and for a moment, all the hardships disappeared. It's funny, isn't it? We had so little, yet those are the warmest memories I carry in my heart.
That sounds really beautiful.
I never knew that about you, Maggie. It sounds so beautiful, in a bittersweet way.
I'm glad we can share this moment with you. That was a wonderful dinner. Honestly, it turned out much better than I expected. Yes, the food, the atmosphere, everything felt special. I'm really glad we stayed.
Sometimes what looks like a problem at first turns out to be a gift in disguise. All right, girls, it's getting late. We should head home. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here's your bill. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Thank you. Please wait just a moment. Here's your card and receipt. Thank you very much. Chef Rowan sends his regards. He hopes you enjoyed the dinner.
Thank you. Please thank him for us.
Sophia here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help Team Sophia by clicking like and subscribe.